Step number 1, I want you to go on to youtube.com, and from there you can find different videos that you can watch, and I want you to click on any of these videos. Step number 2, once you're on the video, I want you to make sure that you watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video. And step 3, boom, you make money. Now take a look at this. All of these are real payment proofs from people all over the world. All this money for every single video that they watch. Now here's exactly how much money you can earn from this method. If you watch one YouTube video, you can earn $3. When you're watching 10 YouTube videos, you can earn $30. And when you're watching 50 videos a day, you can earn $150. Guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want and keep on making money. This is a 100% legit method that is free. YouTube is available worldwide. You can watch it from any country in the world. And right now all you need is a mobile phone or a computer. I'll show you a few examples and a few videos that you can watch, so make sure to stick around and keep watching until the end. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy, and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how you can watch simple YouTube videos just like these right here, and you could be making up to $3 for every single video that you watch. Now the first thing that I want you to do is to click on this sign in button right on top, and that's going to take you to this page. Now if you don't have a YouTube account, you have to create a free YouTube account by clicking on create account. From there you can create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you log into your YouTube account, one thing that you'll notice on the left section, you can see best of YouTube. And from that, YouTube will show you the best performing videos right now. For example, music, sports, gaming, news, and so on. On this video, I'll show you a secret strategy which nobody is talking about. Now I want you to click on this gaming category, and from there that's gonna take you to this page. There are millions of people watching these videos on YouTube, and they don't know how they could be making a lot of money, and I'll show the secret on how to do it, and that's exactly how all of these guys are making big money right on YouTube. So right now I want to give you the first bonus tip. I want you to focus on this category of video, which is Among Us. This is one of the most popular games right now, which is trending. They are picking up a good trend right now, and as you can see here, the viewers are getting more and more. A lot of people want to watch these kinds of gaming videos, and you could be on this early opportunity from there. When you click on this category, Among Us, that's going to take you to this page, where you can find some specific videos about Among Us. Look at all of these live streaming videos that are running right now, and all you gotta do, make a lot of money from this kind of YouTube videos, and you can repeat this again and again for a lot of different YouTube videos right on this category. For you to turn these YouTube videos into actual money, we have to go on to the second website, which is 7r6.com. You have the opportunity to shorten the URL links and turn them into actual money. Don't worry, I'll make it simple for you. It's much easier than you think. Not a lot of people are talking about the strategy right now, and you could be making a lot of money if you watch this video until the end. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get back to the video. So the concept is really simple. You have to sign up for a free account on 7r6.com. And from there you have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a moment. For step number 3, you could be making money every single video. Now very quickly, I just want to show you one example of exactly how it works. Say for example, if you were watching this YouTube video, under here you can find the share button. Click on that button, and you will be able to find a YouTube URL link of this particular gaming video. And from there I want you to click on the copy button. All we gotta do now is to go back to the website 7r6.com and paste the link into this box, and then click on this little button. After that, this website will automatically help convert and shorten the long YouTube link into a brand new special link, as you can see here. Now for every single time when people click on this special link, you are going to get paid. That's exactly how all of these guys are making big money right here on this website every single day. Once you've earned your money, you're able to cash out your earnings into your PayPal account or any other payment options. So the first step that I want you to do is to go back to the home page. And I want you to click on the sign up button, and from there, that's gonna take you to this page where you can register a brand new membership. And once again, this is 100 free, and this is available worldwide. Put in your username, your email, your password, and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and click on the register button so you can log into your account. This is what you're going to see right here on your dashboard. For the step number 2, I want you to click on this button on top, which is new shortened link. That's where we're gonna copy and paste our YouTube URL link, and we can shorten that link. All we're gonna do is just go back to our YouTube video, and we're gonna click on the share button and copy this URL link, then go back to the dashboard and paste the link right here on this box. And I want you to click on the shortened button, and you can see, that's the shortened link. So right now, for step number 3, I want you to go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for up to 3 different videos. The more videos that you copy the link, the more money you are going to make. The bonus tip that I want to share with you is that I want you to focus on this particular category because you are going to be making a lot of money, and I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos. For example, I'm going to click on this video. That's going to take me to another brand new live streaming video. With this amount of people watching the video, you are going to be making so much money. From there, once again, we're going to repeat them. Same strategy, click on the share button, copy the URL link, and then go to 7r6.com and paste in the second link. Now click on shorten, and that's the second link that we successfully shortened. Remember what I told you, just repeat the same strategy. Go on to find different videos, copy the link, and then shorten the URL link. Now moving on to the final step, I want you to go on to steamcommunity.com. Now basically, this is a gaming website platform where a lot of people are discussing different strategies to play different games, and right now on the Among Us there's just so many different discussions going on. A lot of people are talking about this game, and it's just so trending and so popular right now. They're getting millions and millions of views every single day. This is going to be your biggest opportunity to capture this trend. Combine the power of 7r6.com and you can make a lot of money from all these YouTube videos. Now basically what you can do is that you can sign up for a free account on the Steam community. You can open up a trend, put up a post, and share your shortened link into the Steam community. And from there you're gonna be getting a lot of clicks, and a lot of people will view your link, click on your link, and watch the video. So for every single click you are gonna be making money, and from just one video you could be making hundreds and thousands of dollars. For those of you guys who are still watching, I want to give you a special bonus tip that will help you to earn more money compared to other people. Now this is going to be a secret website that I never share, which is moot.us. This is a special forum where you can find different people sharing about this game, and there are a lot of people posting different photos and different videos. As you can see here, they're getting hundreds and thousands of views about Among Us gaming, and since you watch this video until the end, I want to share this opportunity with you, and if you focus on this category, and when you copy the link of this kind of videos, which is live streaming videos, you could be making hundreds and thousands of views, and you're going to be making a lot more money. So right now is a final bonus that I want to share with you to help you make a lot more money, is that I want to give you this 100 free copy and paste template that you can use, and from there you can just copy this template. And you can share this on the Steam community or the US forum as well. From there you're going to be getting a lot of clicks on your shortened link, and you are going to be making a lot of money. So this is just one of the examples, which are very simple, and you're going to be getting a lot of clicks. The template says, have you guys checked out this amazing Among Us gameplay video? It is mind-blowing. And then you can watch the live streaming right here, and then this is where you're gonna put in your shortened link. So just go back to your dashboard and just copy this thing right here, and go back to our template and paste the link right there. And that's our shortened link. All we have to do is just copy this entire template, and then we just have to post them into the Steam community or the forum. You don't have to put in a lot of effort, because for these particular gaming videos, they're picking up a lot of trends and they're super popular right now, especially if you're finding good videos on YouTube which are getting a lot of views. It is going to be easy getting a lot of clicks on your shortened links. That's exactly how all of these guys can make so much money from different countries in the world for every single video that they watch. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell icon, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.